IP addressing and its various aspects. IP addressing. Overview. IP addressing assigns unique identifiers to devices on a network, similar to how a home address uniquely identifies a residence for mail delivery. In the digital world, an IP, Internet Protocol address, ensures data reaches the correct device on a network. ipv4 Internet Protocol version 4. Description: ipv4 is the fourth version of the Internet Protocol, providing about 4 billion unique addresses. Each address is 32 bits long, displayed as 4 decimal numbers separated by dots, e.g. 192.168.11. IP4 address classes. Class A for large networks, e.g. multinational companies, with the first number ranging from 1 to 126. Class B aimed at medium-sized networks, e.g. universities, with the first number from 128 to 191. Class C suitable for smaller networks, e.g. small businesses, with the first number between 192 and 223. Class D used for multicast groups, with the first number from 224 to 239. Class E reserved for future or experimental use, ranging from 240 to 255 in the first number. Subnet mask assignment function. Subnet masks define which part of an IP address is the network portion and which part is the host. They help organize a network into smaller groups for more efficient traffic management. Subnetting analogy. Subnetting is like dividing a large group into smaller groups for efficiency, similar to organizing students in a classroom. Public vs. private networks in IPv4. Public IP addresses comparable to a home's street address, visible to the world. Private IP addresses like the rooms within a home, known only to those inside. Private address ranges. Usage set aside for use within private networks, akin to unlisted phone numbers. Classless interdomain routing CIDR. Description: CIDR is a method for allocating IP addresses and routing, offering more flexibility compared to traditional methods, similar to organizing a library by genres. Default gateways. Role: a default gateway acts as the exit door from a local network to the wider internet, functioning as the router's IP address. Virtual IP, VIP. Concept: a VIP is an IP address shared among multiple devices, like a pseudonym used by several writers. IPv4 address types. Unicast address, used for one-to-one communication, similar to a direct phone call. Broadcast address, for sending a message to everyone on a local network, like a town crier in a market square. Multicast sends messages to a specific group of devices, akin to sending invitations to a select group of friends. This structured overview provides a clear understanding of IP addressing and its various components, essential for network configuration and management. Network engineer training. IP addressing is a fundamental aspect of network configuration and communication. assigning unique identifiers to devices on a network to ensure data is routed to the correct destination. Here's a summary of the various aspects of IP addressing. IP addressing overview. IP addresses are like digital addresses for devices on a network, ensuring that data sent over the internet reaches the right destination, much like mail to a home address. They are crucial for identifying devices and routing traffic in networks. ipv4 Internet Protocol version 4. ipv4 is the fourth iteration of the Internet Protocol, providing approximately 4 billion unique addresses. Each address is 32 bits long, structured as 4 decimal numbers separated by dots. Despite its widespread use, the limited address space of ipv4 has led to the eventual need for IP6 due to address exhaustion. ipv4 address classes. ipv4 addresses are categorized into classes based on the network's size and requirements. Class A: large networks, e.g., multinational corporations. Class B: medium-sized networks, e.g., universities. Class C: small networks, e.g., small businesses. Class D: multicast groups. Class E: reserved for future or experimental use. Subnet, mask assignment, and subnetting. Subnet masks are used to differentiate the network portion of an IP address from the host portion, helping to organize and manage network traffic efficiently. Subnetting further divides a larger network into smaller, manageable subnetworks, enhancing routing efficiency and network management. Public vs. private networks in ipv4. Public IP addresses, identifiers visible to the wider internet, similar to a home's street address. Private IP addresses, used within private networks, not routable on the global internet, akin to rooms within a home. Private address ranges. Private address ranges are reserved for internal use within private networks, helping to conserve global address space and enhance security. Classless interdomain routing CIDR. CIDR is a flexible method for allocating IP addresses and routing, replacing the older class-based system. It allows for more efficient use of the address space and better scalability of networks. Default gateways. A default gateway serves as the access point or exit from a local network to the broader internet. It's typically the address of the router on the local network. Virtual IP. A virtual IP is an address that can be shared among multiple devices or servers, often used for load balancing or fault tolerance purposes. ipv4 address types. Unicast address, direct one-to-one communication. Broadcast address, sending messages to every device on a local network. Multicast address, sending messages to a specific group of devices. Understanding IP addressing and its various components is essential for network engineers, professionals, and administrators for effective network design, configuration, and management. It enables efficient data routing, network planning, and the implementation of security measures. As the digital world continues to expand, the role of IP addressing in facilitating seamless communication and connectivity across diverse networks remains paramount.